Hi.
Hey, what's up? Thank you, Jared.
Monique, you want my next appointment at 5 p.m.
Oh my God. Could you believe I actually forgot?
Oh no, ma. Iṣẹ́ tèmi ni láti rán ẹ létí. Àbí ṣe bí torí ẹ ló ṣe employ me as a PA. So, round up.
I know, right? I really need to go home. Time there to low.
Wow.
I need to go prepare.
Oh, yeah, good. Round up. Maxwell.
All right, love.
Bro, how are you? No, me jáde mo ní date kan so. Really me lọ.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Kini.
Ìwọ àti ta ni again?
Mi ní ọmọ ilẹ̀ kan tí èmi àti ọ̀rọ̀ wa lọ wò. Ìnáwó tó yẹ lọ ju fẹ́mi pé will you come over? Kini mo ń ṣe tí mi ò di come over. So mo ti fẹ́ come over bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn, I dey go meet am.
Jọ Bọ́láńlé ńkọ́?
Bọ́láńlé wà náà, Bọ́láńlé ló máa wá ń bá mi nílé.
Oh yeah?
So eléyìí.
Ó fẹ́ máa lọ bá ni.
Ó ti yẹ. So we gbọ́dọ̀ mọ difference and
méjì. Ṣé kí n gbé ẹ débẹ̀?
Gbé mi débẹ̀.
No be everything wey touch your hand, you go dey put for mouth o.
Oga, bọ́lẹ̀ ń bẹ̀. Na my mouth, anything wey touch my own mouth, I go put am for my mouth. If e sweet, I leave am. If e no sweet,
you throw am away.
I throw am away. So ìwọ ló ń ṣe bí saint now. Me, I no be saint and I no dey try form saint. Me, I dey live my life. Èmi ò ṣe say ìbò tí mo live life mi yìí, èmi enjoy ara mi gidi gan ni.
God go help you.
God go help all of us. So go be now.
Má pẹ́.
Ṣé wọn wọlé fún ẹ ni?
Hey, Martins. Na here we go there. Tá máa gbóyún wa ká ẹ mọ́.
Wow, pretty. Thanks for coming.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Like I said on the phone, orúkọ mi ni Ọládọ̀tun Phillips. Mo jẹ́ ọmọ bíbí Ogun State. So ibẹ̀ ni mo ti ka gbogbo ìwé tí mo kà. And mo wá lọ sí Moshood Abiola Polytechnic. I studied marketing. And presently, I'm working as the marketing consultant for Concord Company. Tí mo bá wà níbi iṣẹ́, mo kì í lè concentrate because I have feelings for you. So nǹkan tó jẹ́ kí n pè ẹ́ nìyẹn pé níbo ni ká ti ríra. Then ibi tó fi pàdé sí náà bad.
Yeah.
So mo wá ní kí n fi opportunity ṣàlàyé fún ẹ pé I have feelings for you. Okay. And if you can give me the chance to prove how much I love you, I will really appreciate it.
Tito. But you mọ̀ pé ẹ funny gan ṣá. Yes, ẹ funny because àtìgbà tí mo ti dé ẹ béèrè bóyá mo máa jẹ anything, bóyá mo máa mọ anything. Ẹ kàn ṣá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa rojọ́ ẹ kàn so you've just been talking and talking. Why?
I'm so sorry, my bad. Mo fi kọ́kọ́ ṣe ohun tó bá dùn ni ló ń pọ̀ lọ́rọ̀ ẹni ni. Sorry. Barman.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, good afternoon. Okay. Just give me lamb chops with a bottle of sweet red wine.
Lamb chops and a bottle of red wine.
Yeah.
Owó ìpọ̀, ṣé àjọ máa pín san ni?
Excuse me?
You heard me. Are we going to split the bill?
What do you mean split the bill? It's just lamb chops and bottle of red wine. It's not even up to 100K. Is this some sort of joke?
You know I'm a salary earner and I always plan before I spend.
Wait, I don't understand. Vivi torí mi, ṣé o mọ̀ èèyàn tó ń bọ̀ wá bá ni? O lè náwó fún ìyàwó dẹ̀ fẹ́ fẹ́ mi. It's not even up to 100K and you want to split the bill. Ṣé wọ́n tún fẹ́ gbéyàwó sílé rẹ̀? So ibi tó bá yẹn bú mọ̀ pé irú akúṣe èèyàn báyìí ni ẹni. Do you think I would honor your invitation?
Akúṣe you say. Mi ò ń ṣàkúṣe o. I'm just trying to be real.
Trying to be real and you cannot afford a bill, a measly bill. It's not even up to 100K. Get out of here.
Welcome. Sorry. I know this is not the first time I'm talking to you about this, but I'll continue to say it until it sinks.
Okay.
Sorry, Omani Pishu Atenmoro King Jono. Yoruba bo, Yoruba ni Okuroro King Kenyojo. Bakare leni, wagba dundun lola lomode fi muju ẹni. Ọmọ tá bá yọgi sí. Tó bá dọ̀la, ó máa sá ni o.
Okay, so what's that supposed to mean?
Ṣòtìrẹ. Àwọn ọkùnrin tá ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí, bí ọmọdé làwọn náà rí. They need pampering. You need to pamper them so you can get the best out of them. Ṣorí ọkùnrin mi, nǹkan tó bá ṣe fún wọn ní first date, òun ló máa fi judge for the rest of their lives.
Nǹkan tẹ́mi náà fẹ́ ṣe, mi náà máa judge now. We are both going to judge each other. Yeah. Wait, I don't understand. Are you trying to tell me what that guy did was right? Kókó mi fẹ́ split bill pẹ̀lú mi, bill tí ó 100K. Seriously.
See, lóòótọ́ mi ò sí níbẹ̀ o, but according to nǹkan tó sọ fún mi lórí phone, a yàtọ̀ síra wa. It's something that ẹ lè jọ jókòó, kẹjọ sọ, kẹjọ agree. You know, it shouldn't be a big deal.
No, it is a big deal to me. Ọkùnrin tí mo fẹ́ kó máa split bill tí ó 100K. He's not ready then. Think about it.
Okay.
He's not ready. Please. I'm not going to settle for that. I won't. Bill here 100K, babe. Lamb chops àti red wine cannot work for me. It can't. Don't worry. Please spare me all this preaching. Very soon I'm going to find my perfect guy, okay? Please, I'm too tired for all of these things.
Your wish. Kí ló máa jẹ?
Chicken and chips, maybe. Chicken and chips.
There's no chips at home.
There's not chips at home. Ìwọ ló yẹ kó mọ ọgbọ́n tó máa fi mọ ọgbọ́n ọkùnrin tó máa fi mọ. Ó yẹ kí o mọ gbogbo orun nǹkan báyìí náà.
Ẹ ṣé gan mọ́ mi. Kò sígbà tí ẹ̀rí wá sọ́dọ̀ yín tí mo mọ̀ tí mi ò make attempt sí. Àmọ́ kò ń fún mi ní chance. Ìdí tí mo wá fi rí yín kẹ́bàá lè mọ̀ pé mo wà very serious nípa ẹ̀rí.
Look, èmi ti study ẹ ládùúgbò mo dẹ̀ rí pé ọmọ dáadáa ọmọ jẹ́jẹ́ ni.
Ẹ ṣé ma.
I know how serious you are. Nǹkan tí mo ṣe ń fún ẹ gbogbo tips ni pé kó lè rí nìyẹn. I'm not just giving it to you.
Mo really appreciate effort yín ma. Ẹ ṣé gan.
Ọ̀pọ̀ tí àmọ̀ ní pé sórí ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn obìnrin wàá fi ṣe iṣu atẹnumọ́rọ̀ ni kì í jóná. Tó bá consistently follow her, you get her.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Understand? Nǹkan tí o bá fẹ́ ìyẹn láti strive láti bí kí wọ́n achieve it. Ṣó ti gbọ́?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ma. Àbọ̀ tí fẹ́ máa lọ ma.
All right.
All right. Take care ma. All right ma. Yes ma.
Ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ o.
All right ma.
Kò dẹ̀ feed me in bó bá ṣe jẹ́.
I will ma. Martins. So, èmi ti fẹ́ máa jáde lọ bí iṣẹ́ nìyẹn.
Oh, okay.
Go take care of you. Okay?
O tún lọ bí iṣẹ́?
Yeah.
O tún lọ bí iṣẹ́?
Kí ló dé tó ń repeat ẹ?
O tún lọ bí iṣẹ́. Ṣé o gbàgbé inú yẹ kó ṣe kan fún mi láàárọ̀ ẹ̀ náà?
Oh. Ṣé o bàbá ìyá tó wó ṣá?
Má lọ gbàgbé irú ẹ̀ o. Ìjọba mi tẹ̀ sí jọ. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó ṣọ.
Má ò rí máa ṣe nu mọ́tò kí? Má ṣe mo ṣe lọ. Kí kọ́kọ́ yẹn bá lè jàre, má ṣe.
Ṣé o?
Of course.
Ọlọ́run ní pa ẹ́ fún mi. Ẹyẹ ò ní ṣàsùn lèmi. Ẹyẹ ń jẹ, ẹyẹ ń mu. Ọlọ́run.
Irewole Olaniyan.
How did you get my number?
Eri ní sùúrù now, calm down. Mom sì no fún mi number.
From my mom?
Yes.
But why did mom she my phone number me without my consent?
Torí pé mom sì understand pé mi ò fake, I'm real. Mo lè jẹ́ kó realize how much mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ tí mo love for Eri.
Okay, fake how much love you have for me. Does that sound well to you?
Okay. Can we go for a date?
I don't think we are that close enough to go on a date. Do we talk? Have you had any conversation prior to this? So what do you mean we should go on a date?
Eri, Yinka ló sọ̀rọ̀, ọmọ Mr. Okonuga. Please, just give me a chance. Let's go for a date. Ká fi mọ́ra wa now. Let's talk.
It's alright. It's okay, no problem.
Really? That's good. You can pick the location of your choice.
I'll let you know when I'm free.
Hello? What's it called?
But why would mom give somebody my number without telling me first? Kí ló máa ṣe woman. Necessary.
Babe, I'm still waiting.
Dẹ̀ ní sùúrù now. Tí lówó náà wà níbí, kí ló dé tó fi ń kánjú? Tí ò bá wò bóyá ká fi outing wá sọ́jọ́ mi.
Má bínú jọ̀ọ́, má ní sùúrù, má dúró.
Yeah. To begin with, níbo gan ló fẹ́ gbé mi lọ because I have selected places I don't go to.
Anyway, tó bá fẹ́ lọ máa gbé ẹ lọ. In fact, I touched down 3 places today. Yeah.
But they shouldn't put over capable because I wouldn't want you to go embarrass me outside.
It's embarrassed me already now. Come on. Lola fẹ́ ná.
Okay, tó bá sọ bẹ́ẹ̀, then round up.
All right, baby.
Irewole má jẹ́ kí n kọ́ ẹ lọ́mọ. Don't let me disown you with this attitude. How long are you going to continue like this, looking for perfection in a man?
Not again, please.
Not again what? What are you telling me? Not again what? Are you perfect? Tell me no. Ṣé ìwọ gangan perfect fún ara ẹ?
Mommy, obìnrin ni mí now.
Tó bá jóbìnrin kọ́. Jọ̀ọ́ ṣé tó bá jóbìnrin ò kì í ṣe human being. Àbí àwọn tó wọ́n perfection lára wọn yẹn, they don't have blood running through their veins. How can you be looking for 100% perfection? It's just not right. I don't understand you. Kí ló ń ṣe?
Kí ló tún fa gbogbo ilé ẹ̀sìn?
Kí ni ó fà? Gbogbo atrocities to commit pẹ̀lú Yinka, gbogbo ẹni mo ti gbọ́. The first place you went to, how you embarrassed the poor boy, and also at the canteen. Lọ wá fọbalẹ̀. Jọ kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? What's the problem?
Mommy, canteen tẹ dárúkọ yẹn, ṣé mọ nǹkan tó ṣe ní canteen?
Kí ló ṣe? Ó gùfẹ̀. Is that a sin?
Gùfẹ̀? Mommy, báwo lọkùnrin ṣe máa gùfẹ̀? That's so irritating. Kò tiẹ̀ fọwọ́ bẹnu, kò sọ excuse, kò sọ sorry. He did it at first. I told him that's bad. Ó tún ṣe lẹ́lẹ́kejì, and you expect me to live with that kind of person.
Listen to yourself. John torí Ọlọ́run ibo ló ti rí gbogbo àwọn ìwà burúkú yìí. First and foremost, you have to mold a person to what you want. The fact that if there's love, kò sí nǹkan tí ò possible. He's a fine-looking young man. He has a good job. He's okay. Kí ló wá dé? So what is that? What has that got to do with anything? Please, you cannot have 100% perfection. We all have blood running through our veins. Don't you get it? John torí Ọlọ́run, mi ò fẹ́ wàhálà o. Please.
I can't even be in love with that kind of guy. Mommy, there are two different things. Mistake and carelessness. There are two different things. That was not a mistake. It's just a careless human being. You would know that he's careless. Oh, I'm very careless. I cannot deal. That kind of guy. Mama so curious. I cannot deal. Mommy, you know.
John torí Ọlọ́run jẹ́ bèrè question kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ìgbogbo nǹkan tó sọ pé ó ń ṣe, ṣé wo kì í ṣe?
I don't do it in public. I don't go about embarrassing myself in public like that. I don't do that.
Sorry, what I'm telling you is, you cannot have 100% perfect human being. Listen, there is no how to get me. Liberty on things take as mistake me. Kí ló dé?
No, so there are two different things. Mistake and being careless. There are two different things. Two different things, Mom. Please. Who says I'm not going to have my perfect guy? Who says so? Who says so? Hey, Mary, I swear to God, what am I showing? I am going to get my perfect man. Ọkùnrin tó ga, tó singbọ̀lẹ̀, tó dúdú, tó lówó, tó jẹ́ pé accent ẹnu ẹ̀ báyìí. Oh my God, it's the guy. Smells so good, God-fearing, decent. As in, it's just everything.
Irewole! What is wrong with you? Ẹjọ́ àwọn ará ilé wo lọ àwọn village people ló wá gẹ̀ẹ́sì ayé mi báyìí nítorí Ọlọ́run. What is wrong? Kí ló ń ṣe gan? Kí ló ń ṣe? Jọ ṣé wàá wá jẹ́ ọgẹ́ bí Ọlọ́run ni? Listen to me, you are taking liberty for license. You are taking liberty for license because you know that you want to money. Oh, the mommy dada. Tí n bá bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣe mi pẹ̀lú ẹ when I start my own because you have a time lapse. Mo máa fún ẹ ní time tó máa mú ọkọ wálé fún èmi. Gbogbo eléyìí tó ń ṣe èmi ò ráyè. Èmi ò mọ ọkọ tó ṣe I don't know. Mi ò mọ bí tó ti rí. Bóyá ọ̀dọ̀ mi ló ṣe bóyá ọ̀dọ̀ bàbá I don't care. But you have a time lapse and you have to deliver or else ọmọ mi o. Ẹ̀rí ọmọ mi o.
I am not going to settle for less. I would never.
You will settle for less because you cannot have a perfect situation. You can't.
I can't settle for bare minimum. What do you mean? I'm not going to do that. Mommy, come on. I'm pretty, I'm hardworking. Why would you want me to settle for less? Why?
I should come on.
I'm the total package.
Really? Really?
You cannot comport yourself, then you cannot be with me. It's just very simple.
Ó máa darúgbó sínú nǹkan tó ń bá bọ̀ yìí. Kò dẹ̀ ṣe under mi ni màá ti gbà yẹn. Mi ò ní gbà fún ẹ. Mo bí ẹnu àbí wọn. Silly thing. Continue to wallow in this your vainness and unrealistic nature.
Okay, all right then, we shall see. But deep down me, I know I'm not going to settle for less. I won't.
Really?
I'm not going to settle for bare minimum. Never.
Really?
Me, man. I'm so sorry, man. Oh no.
Kọ́ládé. Ayé òun mi rárá o.
Kí ló dé?
Yeah, tí bá ní pé ká play game wà ní ó tí o mọ̀ ń play o. Okay, ma ní èmi like football jẹ́ ká wo ball wà tún ní pé o wo ball o support anything. Wà tún ní okay fine tó o bá play game tó o bá wo ball as a man mo expect pé ká wọ club ká ṣayé ká ṣe tó ṣe ń wà. Wà tún ní pé òun rìn ìyálẹ̀. So what do you do for fun? What exactly do you do? Why are you so serious?
Ẹ wọ ṣọfẹ́ kí n máa pretend ni. Ṣé mo ní láti máa pretend èèyàn tí mo. That is me. Just ṣe money. Kí ni mo fẹ́ lọ ṣe ní club? Ló kọ sọ fún mi náà. Ọtí tó bá ń tàn bẹ̀ tí n bá fẹ́ mo ti ṣe mo lè fóònù mi rà ká mú un bí ni.
No, kò ń ṣe the same thing.
Really?
Gbogbo àwọn loud music, gbogbo àwọn ayé tí wọ́n máa ń ṣe táwọn ọmọ máa wà lára àdúgbò àtàwọn máa ṣe yẹn.
Okay, mi like loud music. Mo like kí wọ́n slow music. Who tí wọ́n dẹ̀ like loud music? Ṣé anybody stop any? Okay, ẹni tí ó bá ti lọ club tí ó kì í play game. Àbí tí ó kì í ṣe ọmọ kò ráyé wá, right?
Ọmọ kò ráyé wá o, pé mi sọ fún ẹ kò ráyé wá.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, ètò tiẹ̀ wá worst jù pé o tún ní social media. Facebook, you're not there. Twitter, you're not there. Instagram, tó yẹ pé most people in this life wà, you're not there.
But kí ni mo fẹ́ máa ṣe ń bẹ̀?
Oh,
yeah.
Okay, fine, kí ló fẹ́ máa ṣe ń bẹ̀? WhatsApp tó yẹ pé o wà yẹn gan. O post sórí status rẹ̀. DP kan ṣó tó ti lò láti gbà tó ti ṣí yẹn náà ló wà ń bẹ̀.
Ṣé kí n gbé ẹ débẹ̀?
Gbé mi débẹ̀.
Sórí WhatsApp yẹn gan, kánú kò ń ṣe business ni. Kò sí nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ máa ṣe ń bẹ̀, man.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ máa ṣe ń bẹ̀.
That's it. Mo kàn like gbé life mi ṣe rí, you know. Mo ní láti dáwà, mo ní láti ronú fúnra mi.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Kò sí nǹkan tó fẹ́ máa ṣe ń bẹ̀.
That's it.
Okay.
Wàhálà ẹ̀ pọ̀ jàre wa. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Ó
ṣe máa bá mi sí Instagram sọ̀rọ̀ yàn ni.
Mi ò ọ̀rọ̀ yàn ni. Kókó ní ẹ̀ ládẹ̀ máa gbá mú. Instagram ṣe ní wà lórí Instagram. What are you saying? Good. Àti báyìí ṣe. K-Wealth ni handle rẹ̀.
Ok, ìgbà tó ṣe ń sìn kí ni mo fẹ́ máa fi ṣe? Ṣọ́ràn yẹn ni kí n wà lórí IG ni ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ ojoojúmọ́ lẹ̀ ń kó ra yín ní àyà sókè. Ó ní ẹnìkan kú, ọ̀la ẹnìkan fẹ́yàwó ẹnìkan, ọ̀túnla ẹnìkan já sí gọ́tà. Man, mo ò ní ìdẹ.
K-Wealth ṣe pé mo ti ń pè ẹ́ K-Wealth orúkọ yẹn gan ti wọlé. Ó jẹ́ kí n sọ fún ẹ social media tó ń sọ yìí ó ní disadvantage ó dẹ̀ tún ní àwọn advantage rẹpẹtẹ. So what are you saying now? Kí ni ìtọ́ ó máa enjoy ẹ̀.
Ok, mo ti wá kó sọ ọ̀la.
Wo nǹkan tí mo ṣí síbẹ̀ kó wo check ẹ.
Bàbá ìṣó fẹ́ fọ́ọ̀sì mi ni.
Wo tún ní picture gan. Mo wo orí fóònù ẹ gbogbo picture ẹ kò sí ìtò tiẹ̀ ṣe dáadáa táwọn èèyàn tẹ̀lé fọ́ fún. Ìtò wà lórí WhatsApp ẹ tó fi sílẹ̀ tèmi àtẹjọ wà tájọ dúró gọ̀ọ̀rọ̀
Ó
yẹn.
ṣáà ti fi yẹn sí.
Òun náà ni mo bá ẹ fi sí.
So kí ni màá máa ṣe ń bẹ̀ sí tó ṣe ṣe?
Recent time láwa yìí ayé social media láwa ò lè wà lẹ́yìn o àbí ọ̀gá ẹ̀gbà wo nǹkan tí mo ṣe síbẹ̀.
But why you dey do like this? Ṣé mo fọ́ọ̀sì mi ni? I don't understand.
Enough, thank you. Enough of all these shenanigans, okay? What is all this?
Happy birthday to you, my darling angel.
Thank you. Hold on there. At the 12th, Nimotiji, and you know about this. At the 12th, Nimotiji received different calls from different people. Oh, what did Batimo Ferro? Oh, what be Irewole Olaniyan go was Nulemi? Are you a child? Show more than any. How would you think this kind of package is for grown-ups like me? How do you think that makes sense? How? And to begin with, what is this with you? Is this a flower? Show me what decorates Christmas tree. I don't understand. Oh my God. Don't hear, man. Leave my house now!
Uncle, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ má bínú. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Kéde máa wò kó kí n ṣe bó ṣe máa ń wà nìyẹn o. Ó ti rẹ̀ ẹ́ lóòótọ́ tí ń receive calls látòrò. So tóun bá dẹ̀ ti ń kun, ó máa ń wà ìlítò. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ wò, mo promise yín bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lọ yìí. Ẹ fún ní time díẹ̀. Òun fúnra rẹ̀ ló máa pè yín tínú ẹ̀ bá ti wálé, ó máa apologize because òun náà máa mọ̀ pé nǹkan tóun ṣe fún yín yẹn ò dáa. Ó máa apologize, ó máa bá yín, ó máa ní kẹ́ ní date and everything. So ẹ relax, ṣe ti gbọ́. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ torí Ọlọ́run, ẹ má bínú. I'm so sorry on her behalf, please.
Kò sí wàhálà. Àmọ́ mo gbé gift wá àti drinks fún bọ́. Màmá gbé lọ, kò sí wàhálà.
No, ẹ má kó lọ. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ti forí ẹ̀ pé ìyẹn kólẹ̀ fún tó bá ti dé báyìí tó bá ti jí á kàn bá a yìí ná máa sọ fún pé gbogbo ẹ̀yin lẹ kó wá.
A máa rí ẹ later. A máa rí ẹ later.
Níbo ni kí n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀? Níbo ni kí n. Okay. All right.
I'm busy.
She's a bit busy now.
I enjoy
Is it that
the food.
important?
I ordered for more.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah. I am so sorry to disturb you.
That's fine.
I am Shola Ayinde.
Oluwatomisin Kalejaye.
Oluwatomisin Kalejaye. Nice to meet you. You have a beautiful name. Má bínú, jọ̀ọ́. There's this lady tí ẹ jọ jókòó síbẹ̀ yẹn. Wish it to you. Oh, black. She has a long hair. One pretty fine fair lady. Wish it to you.
Oh, okay. Ọ̀gá mi nìyẹn.
Wow.
I'm a personal assistant.
Ọ̀gá. Sorry. We are both matured. So me really need láti máa beat around the bush. I like her. She's beautiful and I would like to know her. Or is she married?
Oh, no. She's single.
Good. A jẹ́ pé ibi tá fẹ́ gbin obì sí. Àbàtà ti wù níbẹ̀ kájọ tún ìdí ẹ̀ ṣe lóko. I like her and inú mi dẹ̀ máa dùn tó bá lè help me láti get close to her.
Èmi ò ní lè ṣe nǹkan kan sí yẹn o. Bóyá máa lọ bá sọ̀rọ̀ fún ara yín.
No.
Ọ̀gá mi ni bó ṣe wà yẹn, she's a very strict lady.
Really?
As a matter of fact, she wants a man 100% perfect. Irú nǹkan báyìí dẹ̀ ti dà wá pọ̀ rí tàtijọ́ ríyàn kan tí mo fẹnu ṣe and everything. Unfortunately, kò work out. Ọrùn mi ló padà dá gbogbo ẹ̀ sí. So, I don't think I want to interfere in this.
I understand. But trust me, mi ò lè jí òtẹ́. She's my type of woman and I really like her. Just please help me out.
Báwo la ṣe wá fẹ́ ṣe báyìí?
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣé o mọ̀ kó tó ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣé o lè help me pẹ̀lú nọ́mbà ẹ̀? And just, her number.
lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn gbà tẹ́ bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ mo sọ fún yín pé ọ̀gá mi ni.
Of course you
I'm a
said it.
PA. It's unethical, it's unprofessional for me láti fún yàn ní nọ́mbà ọ̀gá mi without her consent. That would not be nice, you know. I can't do that.
Kí la lè ṣe. So just do something, figure out something. What can we do? Please.
Okay, let's do this way.
Okay.
Èmi máa fún yín ní nọ́mbà títọ́dọ̀ mi.
Good, thank you.
So
thank
you call me.
Okay.
Tẹ́ bá ti pè mí àti my plan, so I'm a mọ̀rú àwọn nǹkan tá a lè ṣe.
Good. That will be better. That will be fine, please. And then, má gbàgbé bá mi fi account number síbẹ̀.
Account number?
Yeah, account number. Well, ma won't here. You don't have a problem. Just give it to me. I'll pick it up from there.
My number.
Okay.
Hold on. Okay. Account details.
Okay. Oshé. All right. Thank you. I have it.
Okay. All right.
Then, sorry. Tomisin.
Yes.
One more thing. Ẹ má sanwó níbẹ̀ yẹn o. Mo sọ fún bartender pé kó wá demo bill, so you don't have a problem.
For real?
Yeah, trust me.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We really appreciate it.
All right, I'll call you.
No problem.
Oshé.
Ẹ ṣé sir.
The same person again. Tomisin.
Eri.
Unbelievable. Tomisin. Ó ti di ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹrin tí same name yìí. Ó máa send 500,000 naira sí mi.
Wow.
I don't understand.
Ó ti send owó mi.
I'm telling you. Ó dẹ̀ mọ̀ nǹkan tó funny ni pé ṣé o rántí the last time tí a jáde. Ẹni tí bá attendant ní kó clear bill wa.
Okay.
Orúkọ onítọ̀ náà ló ń gbé wá kó send owó sí mi. Like, I don't get it. It's very surprising. Oh my God, who's this person? Shola Inde.
That's my name.
Oh, nice. So you mean you've been the one sending me money for some days now, right?
Yeah. Do you have a problem with that?
No, I don't. It's just nice to meet you. And thank you so much. I really appreciate.
No. It's nothing. Like, ẹni tó bá mọ ìrora là ń tà fún.
Yeah, so àwọn Yorùbá ní pé tí ò bá nídìí obìnrin kì í jẹ́ kúmọ́lú.
Yeah, sure.
So what's up? Why are you doing the kind gestures?
Let me say, I'll say you, or better still, let me say yourself.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Thank you. So what do you want from me?
Babe, I think I'm in love with this beautiful damsel.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, that's good. I mean, that's good to hear.
Irewole. Sitting right before you is just like a dream come true for me.
Oh.
Trust me.
Oh.
I'm madly in love with you. But I would like to ask you some questions, like, if you wouldn't mind.
Sure, go ahead.
Irewole.
Yeah.
Omati ozugan. Like, Omati ozugan.
I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
Babe, you know what? Stop pretending, babe. See, trust me. It's all in the past. And I promise you could affect feelings or anything to my body for it. I mean, iṣẹ́ wo ló ń ṣe or irú kí ló ń ṣe tó quadrun kan báyìí jọ. I was outside, look at your cars. Ó tún ní PA. Man, you're rich.
Very sorry, excuse me. I don't understand. Ṣé orí yín pé ṣá? Like, ṣé tóbìnrin ò bá tí ṣe runs kò lè wá successful ni, or what are you driving at?
No. I just want to know. I'm sorry, like, I want you to understand me.
Understand what?
Me, nebe. Okay, let me say it this way.
I actually respect you, and that's why you're still seated. Yeah, I really do respect you.
Okay, forgive me. I'm sorry, pardon me. But what's your body count? Like, you know, I just want to know. It's nothing.
Are you crazy?
Uncle,
like,
Uncle, ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́sán yẹn kò dáa. Ẹ mọ̀ pé ẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ meet ni, and talking like that to a woman is very rude.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
And your question will embed lọ́wọ́ ẹ máa bínú.
I was just trying to get to know you. I'm sorry.
How can you tell me you're getting to know me by asking me stupid, ridiculous questions?
Okay.
What is my body count? How dare you?
Má bínú.
No, enough of this disrespect.
Babe.
Enough!
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, I'm done. I'm actually done. You disrespected me at first.
I'm sorry.
I corrected you.
I'm sorry.
You disrespected me again. My PA did correct you. And you now had the effrontery to continue. You must be crazy.
No, babe, I'm sorry. No, it's not what you think.
Don't irritate me. Don't irritate me the more this afternoon. Match this nuisance. Match him out of this house now. This instant, okay?
Irewole, I just want to know you. Like, okay, sorry. Talon, but Tani last boyfriend. I just want to know.
Ẹgbẹ́nu sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀gbọ́n rárá ni. Kí ló ṣe yín tẹ́ bàjẹ́ wọn ò fi nǹkan jó yín lẹ́nu ni. Èdè ìdí bíbá ẹ̀ ń sọ̀rọ̀ mo ti sọ fún yín pé mo kì í sọ̀rọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ sóbì ni. Tẹ́ bàjẹ́ ẹgbẹ́nu sọ̀rọ̀. Ọyẹ́ máa lọ.
Just like that?
Ẹ kó ṣí bọ́tà.
Má ṣe yẹn náà.
Mo ní kẹ́ bọ́tà.
No. Okay, jẹ́ kí n mú fún mi.
Mo ní ká fẹ́ yàtọ̀.
Má ṣe.
Ẹ bọ́tà
Jùmọ̀kẹ́ mi ò gbọ́dọ̀ purọ́ tọ̀ ẹ́ gbogbo nǹkan ṣe ń lọ yẹn èmi ò láìkẹ́ rárá at least mo ti mú yín bí ọmọ mi àti wọ́n àti Tóyọ̀sí. You people are my children and as much as possible I pray for you for everything to be okay for you. Kí ló tí gbogbo ẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣe wá ní báyìí mo ní pé ẹ nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi o ẹ nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi rárá you don't take me as your mother the way I have taken you as my children. Dá náà.
Mọ́mí kò dẹ̀ wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ o ẹ̀rí kò jẹ́ ọmọ kan tó stubborn ni.
Because I don't understand mo pé ìwọ o ti wà nílé ọkọ you are happily married Toyosi is happily married kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀ sóhun and òyìnbó ní show me your friend and I'll tell you who you are at least you people should be able to impact into one another kí n tún ẹni bá rìn ká má tọ́ ní bá sọ̀rọ̀.
Yeah, that's true.
So ó kàn ń já mi lẹ́nu o pé kí ló tẹ̀ ń ṣe báyìí what is wrong don't you talk to her.
A máa ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ ṣé kí n má parọ́ fún yín kò kí n ṣe pé ọkùnrin ò kí n toast ẹ̀rí o ó kàn jẹ́ obìnrin kan tó wà choosy ni tó bá rí gíga àánú ti ga jù tó bá rí kúkúrú àánú ti kúrú jù tó bá rọ́rọ́ bọ̀ àánú ṣe wá tóbi báyìí tó bá nílẹ̀ pa àánú ti tínrín jù ó kàn jẹ́ obìnrin kan tó jẹ́ pé ó ní ìríra ni ó tiẹ̀ ti sú mi ẹ wò bí ìgbà kan sẹ́yìn bíi 2 months ago èmi àti Tóyọ̀sí kí n bá sọ̀rọ̀ àyẹ̀ṣẹ̀ parí ìjà lẹ́nu bí ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí ni lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà ni orí òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí ò fẹ́ gbọ́ yìí ni.
Kí ni nǹkan tí n kí wá ṣe sí gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí báyìí kí ló fẹ́ pé kí n ṣe sí kó tó ti sún èmi o.
Ẹ wò àdúrà ni o because bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe ń wo gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kò natural mọ́ kò natural mọ́ I really need láti pray no ẹ tiẹ̀ really need láti pray ẹ̀yin lẹ̀ ní dákẹ́ àdúrà.
Aláti ṣe mí láti máa ti ṣe ara ẹ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mà.
Ṣé ọkọ mi
ṣé mà
ṣé gan ni mo appreciate ẹ ṣé bá mi kí baálé ẹ o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọ́n á gbọ́ thank you so much.
Òwe kò ní tí ẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe mo ní tẹ̀yàn olú sí gbẹ̀dù ìbáyìí.
ẹ̀ ní bínú sí náà ni.
Ìwọ ọmọbìnrin yìí ìwọ lẹ́dí yìí ó lágídí gan-an ó ṣàlá ó ti rí ó ní àìkú máa bá mi show stunt kí mo sọ fún ẹ lónìí mo sọ fún ẹ pé o gbọ́dọ̀ sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù tí mo sọ pé gbọ́dọ̀ sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù ọ̀nàkọ̀ ló tún wà yìí ó rè ó mo sọ fún ẹ pé pẹ́pẹ́ jẹ́ máa pọ̀ mọ́ tó bá ṣíṣọ́ mo sọ bí àbí mi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ kó má dá mi náà.
Ibi ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀
wetin go happen.
Ó kì í ṣe pé mo fẹ́ wá sí ṣọ́ọ̀bù àmọ́ sórí aṣọ yìí client fẹ́ wá gbà tí kò bá dẹ̀ wá gbà lé ní kò sí bí mo ṣe máa gba balance torí ẹ̀ mo fi sáré wá kẹ́kọ̀ọ́ gbé fún mo ń padà bọ̀.
Wow kò ní dáa fún ẹ kò ní dáa fáṣọ kò ní dáa fún client ó rè o bó ṣe máa ń rìn rè o ẹ máa pèèyàn ní wẹ́rẹ̀ ẹ tún máa sọ pé ó rọjú ẹ máa sọ pé mo ti rọjú àbí mo ṣe bí wẹ́rẹ̀.
Ẹlẹ́dàá mi ló máa dá fún ẹ
Ẹlẹ́dàá
mi ló máa dá fún ẹ pẹ̀lú gbogbo bó ṣe máa ń dán mi gbogbo ọgbà yìí.
Ẹ̀rí àfà fún kìíní
No way Má sọ fún mi wípé ọkọ ẹ ló ṣe gbogbo eléyìí sójú ẹ.
Stop jọ, ọkọ mi ṣe máa nà mí. Kò sí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni pé èmi gangan ni mo ṣe so mistakenly fóònù gan ló fi.
Adúrú àpá yìí lójú ẹ. Tóbi, are you seeing this?
Àní ó kàn fi fóònù mistakenly ni kò mọ̀ ó kàn fi gbá ojú mi ni kò ń ṣe pé àbí bébì. Kò sí.
ó kàn máa ń lágídí lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan náà ni bọ́ kò tẹ̀ sí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ fóònù yẹn ó kàn.
No, why now? My
ẹ̀rín. Dúró iṣẹ́ kan fa ilé anything.
Ẹ wá.
Kó ṣì dànù.
Ìwọ náà kò ṣì dànù. Kó fọ́kín dànù. Kó fọ́kín dànù. Mo ṣe disgrace mi ṣojú àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi. Let me tell everybody rò pé marriage mi perfect. Ẹ ti jẹ́ ọmọ kúrò náà mi sí.
Ìwọ náà ewúrẹ́ ni ẹ̀. Ewúrẹ́ náà máa ń tẹ̀lé ojúmọ́.
Àgùntàn ni wọ́n.
Ọ̀dẹ̀ wo bóyá rí. Má dá etí ẹ̀. Wà á kú o. Má pa ẹ̀.
As for me, everybody ló ní one or two challenges tí wọ́n face nínú marriage wọn. Even life generally. Everybody has one or two things they are facing. But àdúrà tá máa gbà ní kọ́lọ̀ máa jẹ́ ká mọ̀ bá ṣe máa cope.
Mi ò bẹ́ẹ̀ argue bẹ́ẹ̀. Nǹkan tí mo sọ ni pé Jumoke do act as if she has the perfect marriage in the world. At least ìwọ ṣe máa ń show flaws ẹ. O máa ń sọ bọ́kọ ẹ ṣe máa ń yan àlè bó ṣe máa ń ṣe ṣìnà and all of that. And we always talk to you and pray about it. But Jumoke's one is different. And come to think about it. Tó bá jẹ́ gbogbo rádaràda tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń go through in marriage lele. Kí wá ló dé tẹ́ fi ń pressure mi kí n lọ marry? Yes, now, because you guys are so funny.
So are you telling me you're not going to get married because of what is happening in our lives?
Says who? Who says I'm not going to get married? Of course I will. I'm going to get married. But when it's time for me to get married,
okay,
I am going to take the biggest of the biggest fish. Because my guy, my husband, is going to be tall, handsome, cute, thoughtful, God-fearing. This, oh my God, it's just going to be the total package. Trust your girl.
ERE, you can never get it all.
Says who?
Oh,
okay then.
My dear, you can never get it all. This is marriage. You can't be perfect.
Let's wait and see.
I mean, hey, you can never get it all. You just need to understand it.
Ọmọ olóore wa báyìí. She's so beautiful. And daily message and some comment down. Hello, beautiful. Girl, how are you? Really? Afternoon, how are you doing?
I'm talking to the tall, cute guy.
I'm the tall guy living my life. Yes, I'm the tall guy.
Settle for less.
I told him no, and this guy respects my decision. Seriously.
ERE?
Hey.
Hi.
Hey.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Mo rí pé o kàn ń dá sọ̀rọ̀ ni. What's the problem?
Ayọ̀ ni o.
Okay.
So the thing is, there's this guy I just met online, and we've been talking, and he appears cute.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, I like him.
Wow. Then book an appointment with him.
No way. That's too forward. Go ask me out now. Moreover, Obi remembered me, and I told him no, and he respects my decision.
Well, if you like him, play along then.
Yeah, sure. He's an interesting guy.
Oh, really?
Yes, he is.
Okay.
So báwo níbi tó lọ?
Ó wà okay. Match gan ló yẹ kí n tètè máa bọ̀.
Kí ló kàn mí pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀? Ó dín tì ní.
Ìwọ ló láìkì bọ́ọ̀lù ṣé mi níṣẹ́ méjì tí mò ń ṣe ni.
Mo mú big fish kan lórí IG lónìí. I swear.
Ìwọ.
Yes now. Èwo ni ìwọ ni.
Báwo ló ṣe bá a sọ?
Ṣé ti rò wípé ni
ìwọ tó yẹ kó mọ̀ pé òun lè bá obìnrin sọ̀rọ̀.
But tí wọ́n lè nà mí náà ti bá ń chat so mo kàn try best mi, you know, ó dẹ̀ respond.
Ó respond?
Yeah, kò jẹ́ pé but kàn wà ń bẹ̀ ni.
Báwo ni bot ṣe wá jẹ́?
But I'm a tall guy ni baby yẹn like.
Tall guy? Báwo ló ṣe mọ̀?
Tí mo ṣe ń bá chat ó béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi pé ṣé mi ni tall guy yẹn.
Ìyẹn ní picture tí mo fi bá ṣe.
Yes na ṣe mọ̀ pé picture tó wà ní profile mi ni.
Wà á dẹ̀ sọ pé no, I'm not the tall guy o, I'm the short guy tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ tall guy.
Mo ò ní lè sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn fún ẹni tó yẹ pé mi délé tó ti ń bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ ló ti ń hype tall guy yẹn bla bla bla, you know. So mo ní choice mo kàn sọ pé yes, I'm the tall guy.
So o ti impersonate mi nìyẹn.
Kí ló ń pa ọ̀nà lẹ́yìn inú tiẹ̀ náà dùn pé o tall. I swear.
This ilé ìfọ́ni o. Well, since tí o ti impersonate mi sìn, tó ti ń lo èmi lọ àti wọ, máa lo lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà máa play along.
That's it. But kí ló máa end ẹ̀?
No, nothing. Tó ṣe ń play along tó sọ pé wọ́n ní tall guy tó bá ti tó time tí ẹ lè ríra. Wà á dẹ̀ lọ rí wà á dẹ̀ jẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé.
Àwọn padà jẹ́ kó pé I'm the short guy.
You're the short guy. Which shows the problem there. Sí wàhálà nìyẹn.
Okay, so lọ́rọ̀ kan sí ìwọ ń gbénú mi èmi ń gbénú ẹ̀.
Àbí náà a ti gbénú ara wa nìyẹn.
So bá mi send àwọn pictures ẹ, you know, so in case tó bá ti ń béèrè pictures ẹ lọ́wọ́ mi màá lè máa send ẹ sí.
Ìwé jẹ́ kí ebo tó bá jẹ́ album tó fẹ́ máa dà sí fún ẹ.
Dá sí mi sìn sí tó ló lè ní ìdí anytime from now.
Ó máa tẹ̀ send ẹ̀ ṣe ń sìn. Tọ́ airdrop ẹ jẹ́ airdrop gbogbo ẹ̀ sí ẹ.
Ẹ̀rí Olúwa. So ìwọ yìí o lè fall in love.
I told you guys, mo sọ fún yín now. I told you I will definitely see my Mr. Perfect, which I did. Such a tall dude, tall, dark skin, God-fearing, decent, polite, you know. Oh no, it's just everything the lady wants. Everything.
Ń gbọ́ tó mi sìn.
Ẹ wo, kò funny rárá o. Such a nice guy, really. Ẹ wo, ó lè pè ní 70 times a day. Midnight ńkọ́, òru. Early morning messages, bó ṣe máa pera wọn ránṣẹ́ ni. I mean, in fact, bọ̀bọ́ yẹn nice.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
At least, I can't wait for you to join the married gang. I mean, it's really, really sweet. Yes, so marriage is sweet.
Ibo ni marriage long. Kí ni? Kí la pé kí la gbé?
Kí ló dé tí ẹ̀yin méjèèjì kí ló tẹ̀ ń deceive ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń tàn. Èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ ń sìn ó ní àwọn call àwọn ṣe kinní ṣó ti rí no ṣó mọ ibi tó ń gbé no ó lè picture ó dẹ̀ wá okay inú ẹ̀dẹ̀ ń dùn right.
I mean, I've not seen him before, but he sends me pictures, motivate pictures. He sends me pictures and videos. I've seen all of that, and it looks good. It's just my type, and that's the more reason why I'm interested in him. It's not like those testy guys. Just my video call, just my nude, you know, sex chat and all of that. No, he has never for once asked me for a video call.
Are you serious?
That means his intentions are genuine. They're pure.
And the wrong pé tó bá jẹ́ pé bóyá ẹni tó ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ bóyá rọ ni àbójú ẹ̀ ti fọ́.
Àbábùké ẹni tí mo ti rí picture àti video kí ló ń sọ.
Mo kàn feel pé bọ̀bọ́ yẹn kàn ṣe social media person.
Yeah, exactly.
Like she said.
It's fine.
No, don't pay me. Speak up the devil. Guys, I'm coming. I'll be back. Thomason, mbo.
Ọmọ lẹ rí o.
How are you?
Hi, darling. I'm good. How about you?
I'm alright. So, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tó fi ń béèrè àwọn questions tó ń béèrè lọ́wọ́ mi yẹn lọ́sàn-án?
I don't understand. What do you mean? Ṣé mi ò lè máa address tí boyfriend mi ń gbé ni?
Yeah, not bad. Kò sí nǹkan tó bad níbẹ̀.
In fact, questions mi gan ṣì pọ̀ tí mo ṣe fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀.
Okay, you're free to ask me any question.
What's your shoe size?
43.
Oh, nice. Cool. Kolade, this last question I want to ask you, I need you to be very, very honest with me, okay?
Trust me.
Do you smoke or have you ever smoked?
Smoke? Alamaje. Anything smoke is a no for me.
Oh, great. Great. Yeah.
Trust me.
I'm cool. I love you so much, Kolade.
Irewole, I love you more than you do. I'm for real. Alright, bye. Take care. Finally, I found a love.
Harry, nǹkan kan dẹ̀ sọ sí mi lọ́kàn lẹ́ẹ̀kan gbà tá wà ní restaurant.
Okay, what may that be?
Nípa birthday Kọ́ládé tó sọ fún mi ni. Ó sọ pé o mọ nǹkan tó lè ṣe fún.
Yeah.
Why don't you give him the biggest surprise ever?
Okay, what could that be?
Pay him a surprise visit. Go to his house on our way, at least. O ṣá ní address ẹ lọ́wọ́. O dẹ̀ ní sọ fún, and you see his reaction. I'm sure the guy will be very happy.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Oh, so you think sleeping and waking up to see an angel in your house will not make you happy? Who are you? What?
Let me be too forward.
No. He's going to be very happy to see you.
Yeah.
Yes.
But there is so. Ṣé rántí bàtà tí mo fi wọ̀n yẹn? Bàtà tí mo fi wọ̀n yẹn.
No.
Má dé ràn yẹn dání.
Wọ́n kàn gbé dání as a gift ni.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Well, I can't say more anticipate his
reaction.
I don't know. His reaction will be
Oh
bad.
my God. And it's one no, cat one to show people knew how to don't come one me no ni.
Yekini.
Maybe might not like you.
You say seeing you just like that, no fellow foe. Gbàgbé.
Okay, we have it.
Yeah! I can't wait to see my baby gorgeously good there. And the guy is like,
I cannot wait.
I can't wait. It's gonna be more.
Yeah, the perfect combo.
Say,
I love it.
No beer,
always.
I can't wait, right?
We're going together.
Eri, no now. See, you need your privacy. The guy will be so happy to see you alone. At least for now.
Oh yeah, I've got a point. I'm so excited, I can't wait. Hey!
Chick, when my babe just get there.
You know,
if the guy be like, who is this angel? He hasn't seen something so beautiful in his life.
Hey! Oh my God! Hello!
How are you?
I'm fine. Oh my
Come on, I finally get to see you in person.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know that you. Yeah, you look exactly like your pictures.
Yeah, you too. Yeah. Are you happy to see me?
No. I am fine. I'm happy to see you. You know, it's a surprise, so I wasn't expecting it. So don't mind.
Hello.
Meet my friend, Martins.
Hi, Martins.
Hello.
Hi. Yeah, it was both of you I saw on Instagram.
Exactly.
Yes, picture images you already did the Instagram.
Yes, exactly.
Can remember.
So.
Yeah.
So sorry. What do you care for?
Yeah. What do you care for?
No, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine.
Come on. What's that? She Ojuntie.
No. So yeah, once again, happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
And here is my little gift to you.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is beautiful.
Have you even seen it? I hope you like it.
Wow.
Nice one. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Like, this is really nice.
Why does it not fit? Is it not your size? I thought you said you weigh 43.
Yes. I said that, 43. See, Momawa is the big 43.
The biggest.
The biggest 43.
Oh.
Big 45 she marry,
You could have just said so. If you weigh 45, just told me you weigh 45. You didn't need to lie.
No, not. I didn't lie, 43 me what one size.
Okay, yeah. I see. But yeah.
You know what, Jackie?
It's just so sad, but it's fine.
Jackie,
yeah.
Or about that said back on. So, I wasn't expecting you. See anybody pass off on pay Maria Leni. Imagine, right? So
yeah.
Good to see
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was there yesterday when you called. Yes. Oh, there's something happened, Boloni.
Yeah, Ajoma one say was there when you called me.
But I mean, if I had called you, then there won't be any surprise.
True.
Yeah. Couldn't you just surprise more now?
Could you just surprise
more?
Yes.
Yeah.
I love surprises.
Oh yeah, I'm glad you love them. I'm glad you love them.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. So you know what you're going to do now? The both of you, you're going to go upstairs or you go to your rooms. Okay. You go get changed and go out. Yeah, based on me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Wow. That's very cool.
So you're going to take us out?
Of course, yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
But a quick one. In the meantime, can we just have like 5 minutes private time? Just, meeting for the first time. We should have. We want to talk about time.
Today is my birthday, so I feel that we all should, go out, like you said, spend time together, have different conversations, because if we take 5 minutes up there, it might take 5 hours and more.
Oh, yeah.
So, let's...
Yeah,
so, Tawajadi, I saw that I share everything, then I'll take as long as we want. And so, yeah, we should go and change, So
yeah.
Yeah.
Hello?
Should.
Sorry. I should go, mommy. Yeah. I'm. All right, ma. Mom, see, Nikin Kia, pay oku or joy be.
I'm watching a mom back before. His mom is like my mom.
Oh, amazing.
So, let's go inside.
Go get changed. Go get changed.
Oh, she got color.
I can't tell her about me wash.
I'll be back 5 minutes after.
We'll be back.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I'll just wait for you here. God, looks so good. Damn.
It's fine.
Okay.
Nice. Pictures is nice.
Oh my God, they're so nice. Look at my face. Look at them. Very nice.
No.
You should be a photographer.
Yeah, birthday boy.
Yeah, happy birthday once again.
Thank you so much. Like, it's a nice place though.
Right.
Yeah. Birthday boy.
Yeah. Alpha. Ooh.
What?
You smoke? I don't. But you said you do not smoke. So what is all of this?
Yeah, I don't smoke. You know, much pick up habits. You know, I had lots to think of. So
even though
this is the best thing I could do.
I mean, this is such a bad habit. Why would you pick this habit of every habit? Come on. Yeah. No, Mama Shebe, no. Oh my God.
Ṣé báwọn àgbà ló sọ pé bójú bá ẹjú kò yẹ kó ó yẹ ọ̀rọ̀ ò sí mọ́ níbi àfọ̀rọ̀ sí. Àwé kí ló dé tó ń ṣe bí ọ̀dàlẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ò sí mọ́ níbi àfọ̀rọ̀ sí.
Èmi ti wà nílé. Kò sí traffic ló fà. Alright, mo ti gbọ́ ọmọ wa careful. Oh, sorry about that. Ma resend it anything. All right. Yeah, bye.
Ọ̀rọ̀ kì í tóbi títí ká fọ̀bẹ bù ú. Bó bá ti rí kó wí bọ̀bọ̀. Bó bá ti rí ni ó sọ bọ̀bọ̀.
Ọ̀rẹ́, happy birthday in arrears. May your days be long.
For sure.
Ó ṣe bí ti báwo, kí ló ṣe ẹ̀nà ọ̀dẹ̀ ń fún mi latitude. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni mo ń bá ìsọ̀rọ̀ lórí fóònù kan, reply bákan. Wetin dey sup now?
Jọ̀ọ́ báwo ló fẹ́ kí n reply ẹ? Sọ fún mi náà báwo ló fẹ́ kí n reply ẹ? Wọ́n ní kó yẹra ẹ wò náà.
Bí ti báwo?
So tí mo ṣe kúrò mẹ́rin lánàá ó padà fún ẹ̀rí ní nọ́mbà ẹ̀. Ṣé o mọ̀ pé dalẹ̀ ni ẹ ṣá?
Ó dalẹ̀ bí ti báwo, calm down now.
You're a big fool, I swear.
You're taking this too far. Why you go dey talk say I be big fool? You know, she requested for it. Mo dey fún kí ló expect.
Oh really?
Now?
She requested for it. Mo dey fún.
Kí ló expect?
Ṣé nǹkan tá a jẹ sọ nìyẹn? Ṣé bá ṣe plan ẹ nìyẹn? Okay, kí ló fún ní nọ́mbà ẹ̀ fún sí?
Mi ò ṣe jù náà. Ṣé mi ò ní ṣe kí n tó lè béèrè nọ́mbà mi kí n sọ pé fóònù mi bàjẹ́ àbí kí ni? Mo ṣe nǹkan tó yẹ kí n ṣe náà. See, jẹ́ kí n sọ fún ẹ. Àwa méjèèjì a lè lọ lose out o. This babe don dey love me now.
Did he just say she's loving you already, right?
Yeah, she's in love with the tall guy.
I can see you're sick. Like you're very, very sick.
Wọ́n máa padà gbà fọ́lọ́run ni èmi àrọ́ ń tayà wetin dey house all this one wey dey big shoulder up you go still carry am come down.
Irewole, níbo ló dá?
I told you I was going to call at this place to spend the weekend.
But ìrọ̀lẹ́ ló pé náà.
Ìrọ̀lẹ́ náà ni mò ń lọ, mo kàn park sílẹ̀ ni now.
You just can't wait to be with this guy.
If you say so.
I didn't say so, I know so. Wow. Love is beautiful when you're with the right person.
You can say that again.
Obviously. See my baby blushing.
What?
Nothing. Ṣé ẹ pé mo wo bọ́ọ̀lù lọ́wọ́ náà dáhùn pé títí mi bá ti ń play bẹ́ẹ̀ bá take it serious gan. Tí mi ló ń play wọ́n dẹ̀ ti ń nà wá.
I don't understand, but you know I'm naturally clingy. You know I'm a clingy person.
Please, be clingy sílẹ̀. It's a serious match now. Maybe after the match you can be clingy. But wọ́n nà tí mi lọ́wọ́ náà ṣó rí ni. Okay, babe. Ebi ń pa mí. Ṣó lè sáré bá mi ṣe noodles?
Sure.
Yeah.
Let's go together.
To the kitchen.
Sure, let's go together.
Okay, oh my God. For me, need 5 minutes. Okay, I'll join you.
Sure.
Just 5 minutes. I'll join you.
All right, I'm waiting for you. Now. And he knows I love
being with your man in the kitchen.
How did you know? Did he tell you that?
Yeah. Yes, he did. He did. But my worry me, you won't be from my sister. That's why I'm here anyway.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I would like to one.
Are you okay?
One. Yeah, I'm fine. I would like to one. You can share snooker and car play tomorrow. What's it?
Yeah, mo yé mi. Kò fi pé tó bá fẹ́ jẹ ya náà ni mo lè sáré fún ẹ jẹ.
Okay. So Martins.
Yes.
Kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀?
Kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ bí ti báwo?
Yeah, cause mo notice pé baby Rambe kò ní lọlé. Like we spend weekend pẹ̀lú wa níbí, right?
Yes. So bẹ́ẹ̀ o náà máa lò 2-3 days níbí báyìí.
Okay, so what's gonna happen?
As how?
Like ibo ló máa sùn now?
Ibo ló máa sùn?
Yes.
Ibo ló máa sùn?
Kí ló dé tó ń repeat ẹ̀ now? Kí ló dé tó, why you put am for repeat? Ibo ló máa sùn, ibo ló máa sùn?
mi náà ń ro tó ṣe ń ro lèmi náà ṣe ń ro bọ́ ọ̀dọ̀ mi ló máa sùn náà. How bí ti báwo?
Why? Who does that now?
Who does what? Kí ló ń sọ náà níbo ló expect kò sùn?
Why you talking like this? O ní láti pariwo náà.
Mi pariwo náà, èmi àti ẹ mọ̀ pé ọ̀dọ̀ mi ló yẹ kó sùn.
Báwo ló ṣe máa sùn sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀?
Níbo ló máa wá sùn? Ọ̀dọ̀ boyfriend ẹ ló máa sùn náà.
Acting boyfriend ẹ.
Wọ́n ló mọ̀ yẹn. Ṣé o fẹ́ lọ sọ fún pé acting boyfriend mi ni?
But èmi àti ẹ okay see mo ní nǹkan tá a lè ṣe, right?
Kí la lè ṣe?
So all you need to do is call her and make her understand pé kò ní lè sùn sí yàrá ẹ, you know, being a gentleman, at least first time tó máa kọ́kọ́ wá sọ́dọ̀ wa lélẹ̀. Pé so kóhun dá sùn dẹ́yìn wàá dé wá sùn sí yàrá mi.
Wo sórí gbogbo nǹkan tó ń sọ yẹn o ti bà gbogbo ẹ jẹ́.
How?
Èmi ò ṣe gentleman. And again, báwo ló ṣe máa expect pé kí lọ sọ fún pé òun máa dá sùn èmi náà máa wá sùn on my own.
Of course nǹkan tó máa sọ fún nìyẹn náà.
No.
Má pariwo náà.
Owó ló ń jẹ́ kí n máa raise voice mi náà. Jẹ́jẹ́ mi mo dúró tó sọ pé tó lọ ń lo picture mi tó lọ impersonate. Mo sọ fẹ́ pé mo wà interested ni. Ṣé mo sọ fẹ́ pé òun yìí ṣe.
Okay fine sin àti ṣe ni ó dẹ̀ ti ṣẹlẹ̀ báwo ló ṣe máa sọ pé kò sùn ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀.
Ẹni bó ló máa wá sùn.
Kò lè sùn ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀ nǹkan tẹ̀mí kan mọ̀ nìyẹn. Sọ fún kó dá sùn wá wá sùn sọ́dọ̀ mi náà.
Ọmọ ò lọ fà o. Kó tó suggest yẹn kò lè work.
So kí ló fi pè ká ṣe?
Ó máa sùn tì mí ní náà. Náà òkè tó bá jẹ́ pé tìbí ló ń wọ́rí ẹ̀. Ṣé o trust mi ni? Òun máa sùn tí ẹ báyìí, èmi á dẹ̀ sùn tọ̀dọ̀ mi.
No, tó bá jẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ trust ilẹ̀ jàre mi n trust ẹ rárá. O lè sùn tí mọ́ sí mi kí n trust ẹ man. What are you talking about? Yes, mo lè trust ẹ pẹ̀lú mọ́ sí mi kí n máa ti sọ sí nǹkan tẹ̀mí sọ yẹn ni kò jẹ́ ká ṣe. Ọkọ mi ò balẹ̀ mọ́ náà èèyàn níwọ náà ọkọ mi ò balẹ̀ mọ́ ó mọ gbogbo wàhálà tí mo ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yìí náà.
Wàhálà ò lè mọ̀ ṣe ta ló ń ṣe wàhálà sọ fún mi ta lèèyàn tó ń ṣe wàhálà.
ìwọ ò ṣe wàhálà ìwọ ń gbádùn ìwọ ló ń gbára lé ló ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ tó ń ṣe gbá tó ń ṣàwọ̀.
wàhálà ní sí mi ò enjoy ẹ̀ mi ò enjoy ẹ̀ mi ò wà interested wọ́n kọ́ ló gbé mi wọnú mọ́tò ẹ̀ ni.
kí ló dé tó ń ṣe báyìí náà.
kí ni mo ti ṣe o wá sọ pé o trust ẹ pẹ̀lú trust mi pẹ̀lú mọ̀mísí ẹ̀.
mo trust ẹ pẹ̀lú mọ̀mísí mi of course èmi àti ẹ̀ mọ̀ bóyá ìjọ ń lọ́jà ìwọ tó lè bọ́ ṣòkòtò anywhere man.
èso kí ni nǹkan tó fẹ́ kí n ṣe ń sìn nǹkan tó suggest
ọkọ mi ò balẹ̀ o lè sùn tí.
àti drag ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀jú.
Okay.
Let's leave it. Tó ṣe wà, jẹ́ kí n lọ bá.
No, you can't do that.
Wo a máa sọ̀rọ̀ later ọ̀rọ̀.
What?
Jẹ́ n tó nílé náà jẹ́ ló bá náà.
Ọ̀rọ̀ máa ti gbèsè jẹ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ máa ti fẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyọ.
Àbí my eye dey pain me ni.
Ṣé báwọn àgbà ló sọ pé ojú bá ẹjú kò yẹ kó hùn.
Martins ò lè sùn tọmọ yìí. Àbí tí mi ló ń gbọ́gbọ́ púpọ̀. Martins, I know you.
Àwé kí ló dé tó ń ṣe bí ọ̀dàlẹ̀? Ọ̀rọ̀ sí mọ́ níbi àfọ̀rọ̀ sí.
No, Martins ò lè sùn tọmọ yìí mẹ́rin kò lè. Oh, my phone.
Bàbá ìwọ náà máa fọ̀rọ̀ pamọ́ sábẹ́.
Like seriously, you're funny.
Yeah.
For me one day.
What do you mean?
Pick your call, babe. I'm your real guy. Pick your call.
Nọ́mbà mi ni lóòótọ́. Àwọn scam yẹn báwo ló ṣe máa ń visible nǹkan báyìí ṣe? Yeah, like fóònù mi wà bí báyìí nọ́mbà mi náà dẹ̀ tún pé like how do they do these things? You know, checking pa fóònù yóò gbọdọ̀ máa pick àwọn calls báyìí. Máa lọ bá fóònù ẹ̀ gan-an lè bá fóònù Nàìjíríà ti bọ̀ network ẹ̀. Wọ́n jẹ́ kí n yẹ discharge right now.
Kẹ́yìn ti pa fóònù. Ọ̀rọ̀ yóò nílé wọ̀ ọ́. Ọ̀rọ̀ yóò nílé wọ̀ rárá.
I can't wait to have you. Come on.
Yeah, I can't wait to have you too.
Yeah, come on, baby. Where they want you?
Come on, why do you have to be that aggressive?
Sorry, don't. Don't mind me. Wí ta nìyẹn?
Èmi Kọ́ládé ni o.
Is that not Martins? Kí ló dé tó fi ń pè wọ́n Kọ́ládé?
Yeah, mi ò understand nǹkan tó ń ṣe Martins. Martins kí ló fẹ́?
Mo fẹ́ rí ẹ ni o. Martins, mo fẹ́ rí ẹ.
I don't know. What's up? Maybe you should go see him. What's
And as a matter of fact, mo fẹ́ rí ẹ rí náà. Mo fẹ́ jẹ́wọ́ everything.
Me? I don't get. Wait, I don't understand. What's happening?
I don't understand too.
Let's go see him.
See, Eri, the truth is, I am Kolade. He's just a friend that stays with me. Yeki will not notice many things. I am the one using size 43. Yes. Kò possible kí n lajú mi lẹ́ kí ẹ̀yin méjèèjì sùn papọ̀. Because kò kí n ṣe ọkùnrin tí mo trust. He is the playboy. That's the fact. Torí pé ọjọ́ máa ń tì mí, ẹ̀rù dẹ̀ máa ń bà mí láti bá obìnrin sọ̀rọ̀. Òun ló sún mi dé gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí mi yìí. The other time tí ó gbé wa jáde, tí wọ́n rò bí ọjọ́ birthday ni. Ọjọ́ birthday mi gangan nìyẹn. Yes. Èmi gangan ni mò ń ṣọjọ́ bí. Mo dẹ̀ like máa wà níta tílẹ̀ máa fi ṣùgbọ́n yẹn. Èmi ni mo kọ́kọ́ fi yín lẹ̀ níbẹ̀ yẹn tí mo wá sílé. So I'm the one you called. I'm the one you talked to on phone. Ó yẹ kí wọ́n náà ti notice many things. You know, kitchen. Tó bá rántí pé ó fa sìgá. Èmi ni mi ò kí ń fa sìgá. So nǹkan tí mi àti ẹ̀dẹ́ ìjọ sọkọ́ nìyẹn ṣe. Later mo kàn rí pé ó ń try láti change everything. Like already láti sùn pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ and kò fẹ́ ní nice time pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ni. Kò sí nǹkan kan tó fẹ́ fi ẹ ṣe. Trust me.
Yeah. So, you both played me.
No. He's the one.
I hope you had fun. I hope it was fun to you guys. Yeah. I think I noticed. I did notice. Wow. It's clear now. It's okay now. I'm a big fool. That's who I am. Right.
See, èmi gangan ni mo love ẹ.
Yeah.
Èmi gangan ni mo nífẹ̀ẹ́, like tọkàntọkàn. I really love you for it's clear, right?
I'm happy. Ìdùnnú ẹ̀dẹ̀ ni mo máa wá. And that's the only reason tí mo fi jẹ́ kẹ́ wọlé. Ṣé bẹ́yìn náà mọ̀ pé tí ń dá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí náà ó ti ṣe díẹ̀. Àdúrà tí mò ń gbà ni pé kọ́rọ̀ yìí máa yọ mí iṣẹ́.
Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí n ṣẹlẹ̀ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó ṣẹlẹ̀. Yeah, mo mọ̀. Inú tèmi náà dẹ̀ máa ń do all the time. Mo dẹ̀ appreciate dada. Please just help me talk to her. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ gidi ni. Gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́yìn yẹn. Òtítọ́ tó ṣe kókó fún mi láti sọ ni. Ìdí tí mo ṣe sọ nìyẹn. Mi mọ̀ tó bá yẹ pé mo lè ráyè rí gan sí mi máì láti dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún her. I just want to talk to her.
Irọ́ ẹ lè ṣe yẹn sìn bọ́ ẹ má worry. Mo ṣáà ti ní contact yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ kí mi máa bá sọ̀rọ̀ lọ. Tí má ti bá sọ tó bá ti gbọ́, I am sure you're still coming back to this place. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin fọkàn ara yín balẹ̀. I got you.
All right. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Èèyàn bíi ti yín ṣọ̀wọ́n.
You're welcome.
God bless you.
Take ara yín ṣe ti gbọ́.
Yeah, I will.
It's going to be fine. ERE, why are you doing this to yourself? Look at you. Láti ìgbà tọ́rọ̀ ẹ ti ṣẹlẹ̀. Ó jẹun. Ó kàn ń wà múdí, ó ń sunkún kiri. What is wrong with you now?
Thomasin, you cannot understand. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo bí mo ṣe ń sá kí n má kó sọ́wọ́ tó. Àṣé mi náà lè padà fall victim. It's just very sad. It's very, very sad.
It's all right. I'm sorry. Àmọ́ ṣá o, pẹ̀lú Olúwa, ṣùgbọ́n kí mi máa bẹ̀ sọ tọrọ. Mo kí mi ní parọ́ fún ẹ. Gbogbo Kọ́ládé yẹn ò fi taratara jẹ̀bi o. Yes, Only the first time tí ẹjọ́ máa chat, she ló conclude pé òun ni the tall, handsome, dark guy, and then the other one is the short devil. Babe, kò sẹ́ni tó máa ṣe tí ò ní parọ́ láti fi defend ara ẹ̀ because already o ti fún ní low self-esteem. Ṣé ìwọ náà ti rí nǹkan tí máa ń sọ fún ẹ báyìí? You always want it perfect. You wanted a tall guy tó lówó, tó níwà, tó mọ Ọlọ́run, that has the fear of God together in one being. Most times kò kí n really wà bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ìwọ máa wá wò. According to nǹkan tó máa ń sọ fún mi, bọ̀bọ̀ Kọ́ládé yẹn ló ní gbogbo ìwà tó fẹ́. The only thing tí Martins ní òun ni wípé is just cute, is tall. Gbogbo nǹkan tó kù kò sí rárá tó fẹ́ nínú ẹ̀. See, most of the time we don't have it all. Ibi tó bá kù díẹ̀ káàtó sí, ìwọ fúnra rẹ̀ ló máa wá túnbẹ̀ ṣe fúnra rẹ̀. You will accept some, you will take some, you will mold him to whatever you want him to be. Irewole, I know, mo mọ̀ wípé Kọ́ládé love ẹ. I know. Ṣòro tọkùnrin bá dẹ̀ ti love obìnrin, kò sí nǹkan tó wà láyé tó wà ní kápá ẹ̀ tí kò lè ṣe just to see you happy. According to bó ṣe máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀bọ̀ ẹ̀, I know you love him somehow. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo nǹkan tó máa ń sọ fún mi nípa ẹ̀yẹn. See, you just don't know because ọ̀tọ̀ níbi tọkàn ẹ wà. Ìwọ tí ẹ pa ọkàn ẹ pọ̀ sójú kan náà kò wá rí nǹkan tí mo sọ. I am very sure that Kọ́ládé loves you.
Yeah. I think I love him too.
You do?
I think I do.
Just give him.
Kò sẹ́ni tó gbé olúkúlùkù wa ní tiwa bẹ́ẹ̀ lára wa.
Please forgive me.
There is no relationship that is perfect.
Mo mean láti hurt ẹ rárá àtọ̀. Bí ìtọ́rọ̀ yẹn ṣe rí ni mo ṣe sọ yẹn, mi gangan ni Kọ́ládé. Bàtórí number one, confidence mi ò tó láti lè bóbìnrin sọ̀rọ̀ láti lè bá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀. And the first day tí èmi àti ẹjọ́ chat, ìwọ fúnra rẹ béèrè pé am I the tall guy? So torí pé mi kọ́ ni tall guy yẹn, so mo ní choice. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi dẹ̀ lòun ni mo ṣe ní ká máa play along. Though mo padà realize pé it's very very wrong. It's more like we're toying with your heart, so I'm sorry about that. Ma bínú mi láti ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀. And trust me, ìfẹ́ òtítọ́ ni mo ní sí ẹ. Please forgive me, please.
It's fine. I mean, I'm really like him at all ìdáríjì lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ báyìí because yeah, I'm really like him at all ìdáríjì lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. If I had not concluded that you were the tall guy, nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí ó lè má ṣẹlẹ̀. So I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
And thank you for letting me see that there is no such thing as perfection.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Now I know better that there is no such thing as 100% perfection.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting me see that.
Come on. You're welcome, man.
Yeah. Also, luckily enough for me, you've got all the characters I wish my man possess.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I'm so happy to hear this from you, Irewole. So, are we cool?
Well, I can say that. I can't say yet. I don't know about that.
Mi ò tí sure, but ó ti ń jọ positive díẹ̀díẹ̀. hopefully she will give us good news.
Very so dramatic.
Hi guys.
See my girl. You look so beautiful.
Thank you.
Good job.
Okay. So guys, so I want to say this publicly that hi, Irewole Olaniyan, Kolade ṣe adé orí mi.
Ọmọ lọmọ mi, ọmọ tó jọ mí, ọmọ rẹ bí iyán. Olúwa ò ṣé, Olúwa ò ṣé. Bàbá mi ò ṣé o.
Wow, this is most beautiful news I've heard in a long time. Congratulations, boss.
You.
I am so happy for you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh
my God.
Ká má parọ́, ká má jalè. Èmi nínú mi dùn jù lẹ́ni yìí.
Ayomi, open bath by me because ERE. I have to call that name ERE. If you know, you know.
Irewole.
Yes, baby.
Wow.
Mo fẹ́ ṣe ìlérí fún ẹ níwájú ọlọ́kọ̀ tó wà ìwàsáyé àti àwọn ẹbí ẹ. You're not gonna regret this. I promise you. Because I love you from the bottom of my heart.
Oh my God, babe. You're gonna make me cry.
Ó yá kò sí nǹkan tẹ́ ń dúró de kíákíá ẹ jẹ́ àtètè mú date.
Very soon, ma.
Yeah,
like I'm ready already.
Yes, so we have a wedding to plan.
Yeah.
Say that again.
So happy, my goodness.
Okay. Hey, mommy, don't get too excited. I have one or two things to share with you.
Okay.
Mo wá ní ìbéèrè kan tí mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín o. I want to ask you all, who is Mr. Perfect? I guess nobody can answer that because kò sí ẹni tó perfect láyé yàtọ̀ sí Ọlọ́run. Our God is the all-knowing, he's the perfect person, being. Now, àwa obìnrin tá bá rí ọkùnrin tá rí pé kò kì í ṣe Mr. Right wa tó jẹ́ Mr. Left ni pẹ̀lú ìfẹ́ a máa tune kó di Mr. Right and we will tune his weaknesses to suit our strength and then the other way round. Ìyẹn ló jẹ́ wípé kéèyàn máa fi ìfẹ́ lò pọ̀ máa fi rí pé even in our imperfections we see ourselves as perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Kọ́ládé, ó ṣoríire o.
Tell him.
Ọkọ̀ fún wẹ́rẹ́ yìí, alágbára ni ẹ́, alágbára gidi ni ẹ́, mo gbà